Hey guys, I'm Louise and you're watching Disney Channel. Yes! Now let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're hopping straight into it. I'm using the Louise eyeshadow base 2 to prime my lid for these super vivid pigments. And y'all, I have to use a light shade just because I really want my colors to pop. So that is why I use this base for the eyeshadow. Now we're jumping straight into the Mayo Makeup Neon Pigment Stack. Y'all, this was my first time using them. It was definitely a learning experience. That is why one eye is done off camera. Also, these pigments are not eyeshadows, so you can use eyeshadows if you really want to get a good blend, but I just wanted to try something new. And pretty much all the blending I was able to do was just kind of blend out the top, but I would not recommend trying to blend them together, only because basically it just muddies up and just turns into a mess. Okay, so for this cut crease, y'all, I was about to give up honestly because of these pigments, but I just kept it going. So I just did a slight cut crease, nothing too major or perfect. Then I took my Duo Clear Lash Glue for my glitter glue, and y'all, it really holds the glitter in place. I had to scrub a little hard to get it to come off. It works for real, so shout out to Beats by Deb. Also, I could not figure out what glitter I was using. It was some old glitter that I had from a long time ago, but I'm gonna have a video coming out soon on some Amazon glitters that you can buy for cheap, so stay tuned for that. Now I'm taking my E.L.F. liquid eyeliner and just drawing a slight wing. Nothing too major here. I just clean it up with my concealer in LA Girl Pro Fine, and I just blend that out. So this is how my eyelids turned out. I do go back and add a waterline and finish my inner eye after I finish working on my face. Before I get into my face, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe right now. Thank you. So now before I finish the look, I have to go ahead and do my face. This is one of my normal makeup routines. If you would like to know more about the products I'm using, they will be listed below in the description box. And so will my other videos that go through my face routine in a more detailed way, so make sure you check out those. For this video, I just wanted to focus on the actual Disney symbol and the eyeshadow, which is what you came for. Alright, now guys, we're about to get into the Disney look. I'm using my NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil to create my Disney shape. This is a lot more difficult than it looks, I promise y'all. But the good part about this is that you don't have to get the most perfect shape when you're drawing it, only because eyeshadow is gonna cover it up. And this just creates a base for your colors to pop out on. Now, if you watch my other videos, then y'all already know this is my go-to palette for color. So using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, I'm basically just going around the whole symbol with different colors, creating the rainbow effect. So because this palette has so many colors and it's summertime, and so it's time for the colors to come out, this palette is so useful, y'all, and I love it so much. So right here, I did go really close to my eyeshadow, but it's gonna be okay because when you go through it with your white eyeliner, it fixes the shape and brings it back to life. Also, be mindful of how long you allow the color to span on your Disney look, only because I realized I ran out of colors for my rainbow, so I ended up using a lighter pink to finish it off, and I think it looked very nice. So y'all, right here, I did not know my camera cut off when I started it, but all I'm doing is taking my NYX White Liquid eyeliner and I'm going through the middle of my shape and creating that Disney shape once again. And now the actual shape is coming back to life, so you want to take your time with this part and actually try to get as in the middle as you can. And I love using this eyeliner because it is kind of like shadow proof, waterproof, whatever you want to call it. Because when we go back in with our second layer of shadows to create the glow effect, the shadows don't cover up the white line, and so it's amazing. Now to really make it glow, we're going to go over the white line and all of the colors once again with eyeshadow to make it glow. Like, do y'all see this? It looks like my face is glowing. Add a little razzle dazzle, I'm just taking that same eyeliner and I'm just dotting all over my shape, but make sure to stay in the shadow part, because if you go outside of the shadow part and on your skin, it takes away from the look and it just doesn't glow as much. So just make sure you stay within those shadows. Now I'm just drawing on little shapes and stars to add on to the magic effect. This is where you can freestyle and kind of draw them where you see fit. So now that my shape is done, I'm just using my Milk Jumbo pencil once again to go and complete my waterline as well as my inner eye with some highlight. And the two shades that I used were a pink eyeshadow and an orange eyeshadow just to complete the look. this is the final look, guys. Make sure you stay until the end so you can see my pictures, my videos that go along with it. I really hope you enjoy. I enjoyed making this look. It was so fun. I'm definitely still in my beginner phase, so I wanted to make this as easy as possible. And shout out to Beats by Deb, because this is where I got my inspiration from for this look. So yeah. Okay, so y'all, that's all I have for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, please subscribe because I took forever to do this and it came out okay. So like, just hit the subscribe button, people. Like, I put in so much work for this. So yeah. Bye guys.